Breathe better and sleep deeper with the Levoit Classic 160 Top Fill Humidifier. Don't wait. Check out the link in the video description to get your Levoit Top Fill Humidifier on Amazon today and enjoy a healthier, more comfortable home. Breaking news from the Aleutian Arc, a region where the Pacific Plate subducts into the mantle beneath the North American Plate. You might be wondering what that means for you and how it affects your daily life. Well, we're here to break down the latest seismic event that's got everyone watching. So, on January 21st at 8:58 a.m. AXT, a magnitude 4 earthquake struck approximately 71 miles southeast of Okmok Caldera. Now, you might be thinking, what's an Okmok Caldera? It's actually one of the largest volcanic calderas in Alaska, formed by massive eruptions back in 1952 and 1977. The region is seismically active due to the ongoing subduction process, which can lead to powerful megathrust earthquakes. In fact, this area has seen some pretty significant quakes over the years. We're talking Mite 0.6s, Mite 0.7s, even a few 9s in the past century. The Aleutian Arc is one of the most seismically active regions on the planet, with thousands of earthquakes occurring each year. So, while this latest quake might seem small compared to some of its brethren, it's still worth paying attention to. One thing that caught our eye about this event was its depth, just 2.3 miles below the surface. This can actually be a bit tricky for scientists trying to pinpoint the exact epicenter and understand what caused the quake in the first place. But don't worry, we've got experts who have reviewed the data and are working to provide more information. Now, there's another aspect of this event that's worth mentioning: the location itself. It falls within the Wadati-Benioff Zone, a 6-9-mile wide zone of intermediate depth earthquakes where the Pacific Plate is being subjected to increasing pressure as it sinks into the mantle. This can sometimes lead to powerful tremors or even more significant quakes in the future. It's also worth noting that this region has seen some notable seismic activity recently, like the 2014 M7.9 Little Sitkin event, which was one of the largest recorded intermediate depth earthquakes in the area. And if you're wondering what all these quakes mean for your daily life, rest assured that scientists are constantly monitoring the situation and working to improve our understanding of this complex region. So there you have it, a quick rundown on the latest quake from the Aleutian Arc. We'll be keeping an eye on this region as always, and we'll bring you updates as more information becomes available. Stay seismic, everyone.